Today I will show you what is included in the Cubelets Primary Maker Kit. Students will have the opportunity to use their imagination by exploring robotics and coding through building robots with the Cubelets blocks. This kit is designed for 1 to 3 students working on one challenge card at a time. Refer to the sequence number on the challenge cards at the bottom left-hand corner. The challenges build upon one another. There is also a discovery guide included with the instructions on how to get started and explanations of the kit contents. This kit comes with the Cubelet Discovery Set with 5 robot blocks and some accessories that connect magnetically. There are 3 different types of robot blocks. The Think block is bluish and it provides the power. The Sense block is black and it detects distance and brightness. The Act block is clear and it either illuminates or drives to move. The battery block will need to be charged with the micro USB cable. The Bluetooth hat allows you to pair the robot constructions with a device for even more features. The 2 brick adapters allow you to add style and expand building capabilities with Legos. To create a robot, simply magnetically connect the faces of the Think, Sense, and Act blocks. Blocks can be connected in a variety of ways to create a variety of robots. To operate a robot that has been constructed or to test out a construction, turn on the power switch. Ready to take Cubelet blocks to the next level? Attach the Bluetooth hat and connect the battery Cubelet to your device through the Cubelets console. This feature will allow you to enable remote control and add new Cubelet behaviors using Blockly coding. When you have finished creating, return all the blocks to their proper locations and don't forget to return the USB charging cable. Please place the discovery guide and challenge cards back in the plastic envelope. For more challenges, instructions, and ideas, check out the resources on our Ceres Maker Kits website. Reach out to your EdTech with any questions. Thank you.